How to hide your WhatsApp profile picture or show them to certain people only. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually hide your WhatsApp profile picture and show them to certain people or to specific people only. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in a search box typing in WhatsApp. Go ahead and simply either download or update the WhatsApp app. Once you've updated the WhatsApp app, I want to go ahead and then simply open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are signed in or logged into your account. Now, in order to hide our profile picture from certain people or to just hide them from everybody, what you have to do is tap on the three dots which you see on the very top right hand corner and then simply go to settings. And as you go to settings, you have to go to the option which says account, and as soon as you select account, what you have to do is go to the option which says privacy at the very top again. And as you tap on privacy, you can see this one which says profile photo, and currently you can see everyone, which means right now everybody, whether or not they're on my contact list, can see my WhatsApp profile picture if they search for my number. But if I want to hide them relatively, I will simply select it, and you can actually hide it by selecting nobody or only your contacts, or your contacts except a few people. For example, everybody can see except some of the people how you can hide them. So if I want to hide them from one of these contacts over here but allow the rest of the people to see them, I will simply select their name or their contact list over here, and then I will tap on the check button which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that way they won't be able to see my profile photo. Similarly, if you want everybody to see it, you can simply select everybody over here, and then you can go ahead and hide them by selecting nobody as well. And this is simply how you can hide your WhatsApp profile photo from people or from specific contacts on your WhatsApp list. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.